Are you trying to decide between OpenClaw and CloudBot? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare these two tools to help you find the best fit for your needs. Both OpenClaw and CloudBot are designed for managing and automating tasks. They help users streamline their workflows and improve efficiency. But how do they differ from each other? Let's start with OpenClaw. This tool is known for its user-friendly interface. It offers a range of features that allow users to customize their automation processes. OpenClaw is great for beginners and those who want a simple setup. It focuses on flexibility and ease of use. Now, let's look at CloudBot. This tool is more geared towards advanced users. It has powerful features that allow for complex automation tasks. CloudBot is ideal for those who need detailed control over their processes. It may have a steeper learning curve, but it offers more advanced capabilities. When it comes to key differences, OpenClaw shines in simplicity. CloudBot, on the other hand, excels in depth. If you're looking for something straightforward, OpenClaw is the way to go. But if you need advanced features and customization, CloudBot is your best bet. In terms of features, OpenClaw offers basic automation tools, while CloudBot provides extensive options for advanced users. Both tools have their strengths, so it really depends on what you need. As for pricing, OpenClaw tends to be more affordable for casual users. CloudBot may cost more, but it offers more features for those who need them. In conclusion, if you want something easy to use, choose OpenClaw. If you need powerful features and don't mind a learning curve, go for CloudBot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.